green, so I'm gonna use that next. Another green. I have a lot of red. This one garbage. Here, purple. I think I'm gonna okay, here. Okay, dark purple. This tint, cuticle tint. I don't use usually to color my toenails. Cuticle tint. I don't really use this one. So throw nail deep dehydration. Okay, I use this one. Then bracelet. It's fashion. Okay. Another transparent and green. So, color gel, nail dehydrator, top coat. I have a lot of top coat. Actually, I pay so much for this. So, I think I will give this one to separately. Okay, next is, I still have this one, a lot of peel off base coat. Hardener, black. Okay, I don't think I need that one. Primer, okay. I have a full set of gel polish, remover, top coat, and base coat. But usually I don't use it. Actually, I don't use that one. And then, okay, garbage. Garbage. I like this one. It's cute. Garbage. Anti-yellowing base coat. But actually, when I use this one, my toenails become yellow. So I don't, oh sorry, I don't need that one. I do also this one. Garbage. 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 So I have this nail file here. Oil. Okay, I have this pure oil. Multivitamins for my dog. Hydroperoxide. Okay. Gel polish. I really have a lot of gel. I think it's too bad if I throw this one. But I will give it away. I will give to my friend. So I have battery here, so I don't need to use that one. So far, oh, I have Wi-Fi repeater here. I don't use this one. I spent 2,000 for this, but I can give this to my friend. Okay, put it away there. And so far, we're done. I have here the Miss Cherry piece remover. So Actually, this is for it's a kind of wipes, but then full of alcohol and it's red. I can use this one to remove my nail color, but the problem, I really hate I don't like the smell. So, it's 2 boxes. I'll give it also. Maybe she like it. It's with perfume, so I don't like it. Very bad. Smelly. It's not smelly, but alcohol. It's really sharp. Okay, so far, then I found a picture here. I'm still young. It's cute, it's me. I know it's far. I'll show you my old picture. So that's me. I'm gonna show you I'm done. That's all for now, everyone. Thank you for watching.